Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will walk you through the process of using your Affirm on Amazon. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out to any of our latest content. Right? So there are two ways to do it. First is if you can open your Amazon app on your mobile device, okay? Or you hover here to amazon.com, right? I'm here at amazon.com, so you can choose the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now. If you're using Opera, Brave, Safari, Firefox, it's okay. So here, there's actually a step-by-step guide here that will help you guys. So here it says Affirm, buy now, pay over time with Affirm, right? Just add $50 or more of eligible products to your cart and select Affirm as your payment method at checkout. All right. So let's hover here. All right. For example, we know we wanted to add this to the cart. Okay. Okay. Say for example, we add this to the cart, and obviously when we add it to the cart, just select Affirm as your payment method at checkout. All right. So enter a few pieces of information for a real-time decision. Then this check doesn't affect your credit score, so don't worry. All right. Choose a payment plan that suits your budget and need. See what payment plans are available for your purchases. Of course, they claim that there are no hidden fees and make payments at affirm.com here, right? Or Affirm app installed on your mobile device. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.